Here I've got OnePlus 60 and let me show you how to activate and use reading mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then find and select display, and under night mode you will notice reading mode. Just open it. Now you can simply activate it by tapping on this switcher. So now it's on. As you can see, the display has changed, so the display is just in black and white colors. Let me switch it off for now. And now you can also pick automatically turn on for these apps, so you can select the apps in which this mode will be automatically activated. So let me pick, for example, notes, and if you would like to some book in here, you can also add it. And finally you can select the mode settings, so you can block peak notification while this mode is on if you want to. So that's it. If you would like to remove some application from this list, just tap on remove. So now you can enjoy reading on your device without pain of your eyes. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.